Hello everyone, this video is going to be a bit different than some of the other videos I've done, but today I'm really excited because I have purchased this Sailor Moon blind bag, and this is for a figural key ring, also known as a keychain. And there are all of these different, this is series 2 apparently, which includes potentially, Neo Queen Serenity and King Endymion and the Chalice and Pluto, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, Super Sailor Moon, and Super Sailor Chibi Moon. And those are our possibilities here. Here on the back, this is a really reflecty bag, so you keep seeing my camera. But anyway, yeah, we've got all of the little options, and and they're labeled. And it looks like you could also potentially get Black Lady, which is like evil Chibiusa. At least that's my assumption if that's who that is. And probably Luna P is who the exclusive B is. Anyway, so this feels pretty solid. I can hear the thingy rattling around. That would be the keychain. Oh, please retain the package for reference as it contains important information. I wonder what the important information the package has. Anyway, I'm going to cut this open because, yeah, I'm going to cut it down here. Just along the very edge. And did I open it? No, I did not. I missed. Let's try that again. Okay. There it is. Okay, camera. What is it? I'm not looking. You can't even see. Oh. I think I got Super Sailor Moon. Oh man. Okay, so it comes in the sleeve. And I did! Oh my gosh, she's wonderful. Look at her. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Wow. Okay. So what's this say? Nothing. It has numbers on it. Okay. Wow, this is lovely. This is so great. I'm really excited about this. We've got, look at the detail on the bow here. That is really nice. It's got all these different folds. That was something I was always careful when I was drawing her when I was little. I love their little expressions. That was why I had to buy this. There were lots of blind bags at the store I was at. It's like a new used bookstore we have in our town, and I just love their little smiles. So that's what I wanted. And so we've got her brooches. They have, whoa, focus. But yeah, even the little brooch has like so much detail in it. You can see it's like printed on there. And of course Super Sailor Moon has like one on her skirt also. So that's down there. And you can even see the lines on her tiara. Lines in her hair. This is like a lot of detail. I think this is more than I expected. And she's made of, I don't know, she's some kind of probably silicone. Look at the little squiggles of her hair. That's fascinating. Wow, she is so cute. I am so excited about this. I really think that I ended up picking a good one. I am really, really happy with this. And I don't know how these videos normally go. Oh, I'm sorry. There she goes. But there was nothing else in the package. So, I mean, that's it. I'm excited. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon.